In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get email templates in Kit. We'll walk through exactly where to find the template library and how to open a template so you can start customizing it for your own brand. Even if you're new to Kit or email design in general, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where everything lives and how to get up and running with a solid starting point. First, make sure you're logged in to your Kit dashboard. This is the main home base where you manage all of your email activity. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in using your usual account details, then wait for the dashboard to load completely so you can see the main navigation at the top of the screen. Once you're in the dashboard, look towards the top navigation bar and find the option labeled Send. This is where Kit groups all of the tools related to sending messages. Click on Send, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Email Templates. This will take you straight into the area where your templates are stored and managed. On the Email Templates page, you'll see any templates you've already created, along with some options to organize or edit them. To access the full library of ready-made designs, look for the button that says Plus New Email Template. Go ahead and click that. Instead of immediately starting from a blank canvas, this button opens up the entire library of pre-built templates that Kit provides. Here, you'll notice two main types of templates: starting point templates and classic templates. Starting point templates are great if you want something more modern and structured, with layouts designed around common email goals like announcements, product updates, or newsletters. Classic templates are more traditional and simple, which can be helpful if you prefer a clean, straightforward look or want a base that's easy to adapt. Browse through the options and look for a template that feels close to your brand's style. Pay attention to the general layout, the way images and text are arranged, and how much content each design is meant to hold. Remember, you'll be able to customize colors, fonts, images, and text later, so focus on the structure rather than the exact content. When you've found a template that looks like a good fit, click on it to open it in Kit's Visual Editor. This editor lets you adjust the design without needing any code. From here, you're ready to start tailoring the template to your brand and turning it into a reusable email you can send again and again.